Today we're going to show you a beautiful sensual combination. Let's go, let's start with Tassia Holiday, of course, here in my house. Okay, we start in a closed position, like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From here on, we go into the crossbody lead and do 1, 2, 3. Hand hold position is different now, and 5, 6, and 7. So what I do basically is a hook turn on 5, 6, and then I catch the hand of her. Okay, ladies, make sure that the hands are always there. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Release. 5 is a hook. 6, and now the hand, I catch it here on a 1, okay? So from here, I do a right turn for her, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. We finish in that position. Tassia is always showing the hand because now we're going to take this hand, but we do it in this way, like this, okay? Always palm to palm. And from here, I do a lot of enchuflas. Look. I do 1, 2, 3. Yeah, check. This hand is here, the other one is there. We don't want to do this, for instance. Yeah, we don't want to do this 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, whether we want to do this is also not really cool. So make sure, yeah, make it aesthetic. Yeah, it's like, is it a heart? No, it's not a heart. No? What is it? I don't know. Doesn't matter. So make sure it's like this. And like that. So always make sure that if you finish, you always look at her, that you have eye contact, okay? Like this. Like this. Ooh, I'm here. Ooh, I'm there. Okay, whatever. Sorry. We are sometimes a little bit stupid. So let's go a little bit further, close to you. Then you can see our puppets here. Our chewing gums and our, what's the name? Puppet? No, puppet. Sujet. On sujet.
I don't know.
Okay, let's do it. So we do 1, 2, 3. Hook, turn, release that hand, and 1. We do a right turn. 5, 6, 7. Catch the hand. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, and 3. And on 5, I do already again a hook turn. We do 5, this hand goes down, this goes up, 6 and 7. Make sure, guys, you are only connected with the fingertips, okay? This makes a lot easier, okay? So then from here we turn 5, 6. Every time I turn, my elbows is facing down. I turn to her, and then I use that opportunity to give the dance a little break and enjoy this moment while we are still connected here like this, okay? So, like this, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and now I take this hand hook and I continue, and no, I continue, and then I release that hand, and then I prepare myself to turn, okay, like this. Let's do it really slowly, just the last part. So from here, okay, we go now into the enchuflas. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Now, I release my hand here. 1, 2, 3. I go out of her way by turning to the right. And now she can go into a crossbody inside turn. I catch this hand now here. You almost can't see it, and she's doing her presentation. Okay? And on 3, I show my hand under her arm like this. We're gonna do that now in this way so you can see the other way around. Okay? That means we were here. Exactly. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3. And 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, out of our way. And 5, 6, catch the other hand. Presentation. And, sorry, one more time. Presentation. And 1, 2, 3. On 3, you need to catch her hand, not from above, from below. Okay, otherwise you do a different figure, pattern, move. So we are, once more, we are connected here and there, okay? Let's do this one more time and then you know what I mean. So we are here. Are we in the middle? Yes. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And hook turn. 5, 6, 7. Now, my arms are down and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And 5. Catch other hand. 7. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now we are staying parallel to her. Not parallel, but like an L. I always say an L. Now we go 5, 6. This hand goes above over the shoulder and she's turning. Why is she turning? Because from here we keep the contact, which is really, now we do it from here. This is really central as well. But, yeah. But she knows, since I'm connected like that, she's preparing herself for a double turn. And yes, this is my plan. I want to turn her. And if you do this move, also there you have eye contact. I just love it if you do that. Exactly like that. Then, yeah, okay, better. Let's do it from there, then you see it, what I mean. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, double turn, and I give myself a hairbrush, and I go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Now I use that connection, and I go from inside out, like this. 1, I grab her arms, and she, as you can see with Tasia, wrist always first, and by going down, they're also facing down. Really important, okay? So one more time. So we do 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. While I'm doing that, I do not like to face her all the time in her eyes. We have done a video about eye contact. Check what you can do, but I prefer to watch my hands dancing together with her arms, okay? Like this is like a little bit like sex. Watching, beautiful, okay? Really sensual. Now from here on, we go into a crossbody lead. So we do 1, 2, 3, and guys, we are doing a hook turn now again. 5, 6, and I catch that hand on 1, okay? So we do 1. Now it's important. If we do not do an open break or something, because otherwise we would do an Enchufla again. We don't want to give it the intention of an Enchufla. So let's do it from there again. So after the crossbar lead, I do a hook turn as I said. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, from here the only thing I do not give her any impulse, otherwise, as I said, we finish up like this, and then she thinks we are doing Enchufla. Instead of this, we are here on 1, so we do 1, 2, I catch her here a little bit on her hips, just to say continue, and we go 5, 6, and 7. Make sure you don't run. Why? Because we both are moving into a kind of a diamond move. Okay, she's moving, I'm moving. Check, because if I'm here, the guys are thinking sometimes I need to run like this, you know, to come around. But we don't need that, since she is coming towards me. So we do 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, you see? So this is also something I see the most on the dance floor, guys running behind her, just like a, okay? We don't need to do that, because, as I said, we both are moving like a diamond. When I say a diamond, then I mean it like this, okay? We are crossing behind we are crossing in front, especially her on this move. So now after doing the hook turn, catching her on 1, I do 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now something comes special. Usually in all my videos I do this 1, 2, 3, or I do a body roll, okay? But if I really dance sensual, a beautiful song of Leonie Torres, or just really slow. Now I teach you something which is not common in salsa. It's not a salsa step, whatever it is. Maybe it belongs more to bachata. I do not dance bachata. I'm just saying it's not salsa, okay? I don't want to see any comments. This is not salsa. Okay? I'm just saying until here everything was correct. Okay? I just want to prepare you, okay? So from here, we are connected from here. She's placing her hand over mine, and I'm connected here. Now what I do, I try to have a not stronger contact, but we are connected from here, from my right leg to her hip. Okay, we are connected here, connected with the hands. We don't want to do this. Okay, guys? No. You can do it maybe later, but not now. So here connected easily because the girls doesn't like that. So from here, we grab here and then I do. The customers are coming. Okay.
Ja, stimmt, man hat gerade gehört, wie er geklingelt
Ja, es hat geklingelt. Entweder musst du jetzt rausschneiden. So, guys.
Hello!
We are doing a special class on my online dance school. So if you want to learn and you want to start with them together, yeah, Tom, Celine, there you can be live at the journey, you know. So
maybe you're better than we.
Okay, wir machen weiter, oder?
Okay.
We proceed and then later on we have the time. Wenn ihr was euch holen wollt, ne?
Alles gut.
Ja.
Oh, super.
Ja.
Top.
Okay.
Wo hier?
Yeah. As I said, this is not typical salsa, okay? But it works. I was doing that also, this move on the special dance video on Halo. I'm gonna put that here. And there you see that I have done this video, this move. And she was not knowing that this was coming, but she was doing the same thing. And as a follower, you need to go into the male steps. Here, Tassia is changing into the main steps. What I mean by that is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now I lock her into me and I do 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and from here on we are in this move. Okay, make sure, guys, the hands are not going too deep. From here on we are connected, and now we do 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Now I try on 5, 6. I try to release her into a turn, into a right turn. I do that by twisting a little bit to the left, and then I go into 1. Okay, let's do it. Just to demonstrate how we do it. So we do 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and 5. I go into 1. Okay? As I said, it's not typical salsa. If you don't want to learn that, I totally accept or understand. So we go from here into a crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Catch the hand, and from here on, as usual, I go into a beautiful dip. 5, 6, and from here, I see here my hand is behind her shoulder. Here, have her supporting point, and we go into 1, 2, 3. Whatever, if you want to do a body roll, because it's also sensual, it's up to you. And then we are done, okay? Let's do it together with counting from the top, okay? And then with music. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Catch. 1, 2, 3. Elbows down. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Hook turn, guys. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1 to catch your hand. 5, 6, 7 and twist. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. Hook turn. 6, 7. 1, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 5, 1, catch, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, finito. That's it. Okay, let's do it together with this music and then we are done.
Para tu corazón hice una casa, la he diseñado pensando en ti. Está llena de luz y en sus rincones flores en versos, nace un jardín. Para tu corazón escribí esta canción y quiero que la cantes para mí. Dime que sí, que hasta las flores y el sol de la mañana preguntan por ti. Para tu amor yo construí un hogar que espera solo por ti.
Gracias, bye bye. Woo!